No.
What?
Ask him about the ammo, the bull sweatshirt, anything that's remotely similar to the house.
What did I do?
Uninterested.